Hello, this is what happened when the truck is not starting. This is a 2014 F-250 diesel truck, Ford. There's a problem with the truck did not start. Here's the problem. Only one thing is you don't have to go to the towing or shop. It's gonna cost you money. You gotta make sure because when you start it, it's not started. Here's the problem. When you're looking at the fuse at the engine compartment on the driver's side, you can see here this is a 40 amp fuse. It's just blow, so you're gonna have to find the fuse. Impossible. So you gotta fix that. That way you can get your again. Thank you.